MRG channel. I am your Madhav Rudra Ganesh. Today I am going to tell you the matrices of intermediate first year. So please subscribe my channel and like, share this video to your friends. Now let's go into the topic. Matrices. What is matrices? It is a mode of representing the data. If we have an data like numbers, we will given like Raju ate 3 apples and Tarun ate 5 apples. We should represent that data in some way, right? So this is an mode of representing the data. Now I will tell you an example how to represent this data into matrices. Okay, friends? So see, for example, we have Raju ate 4 apples, okay, and Mahesh ate 8 apples. And Raju ate 7 grapes and Raju ate 6 mangoes. Mahesh ate 2 grapes and 1 mango. Okay, friend. Now we should represent this in matrices. Means Raju how many fruits he ate, we should represent that in matrices. See friends, how are we? First we should take like bracket. Raju ate 4 apples, right? So first write 4. Raju ate 7 grapes. 7. Raju ate 6 mangoes. Now Mahesh. Mahesh ate 8 apples. 8. Mahesh ate 2 grapes. And Mahesh ate 1 mango. 1. So like this we will represent the matrices. If you have a question of how to represent this data in matrices, we should represent like this, or we can represent like this also, like horizontally. 4, 7, 6, 8, 2, 1. See. In this we call this is row. Like this is row. This is row, this is column, like this, column, and this is row. Difference. This is row and this is column. Remember this is so important. You should remember what is row and what is column, then only you can do matrices perfectly. Okay, now I will show you another definition of matrices. See friends, matrices is an rectangular array which represents various types of numbers. This is the important thing in our definitions. Types of numbers. It means matrices not represent the whole numbers or natural numbers. It will represent other types of numbers also, like integers, irrational numbers, rational numbers, and it will represent functions also, friends. This is important and you should remember it. Okay, now I will show you how it will be if it represents the functions or irrational numbers, rational numbers. See friends, now I am showing the other types of numbers that we can represent in the way of matrices, in mode of matrices. See friends, 1 by 2, it's a fraction, or we can say rational number, right? Rational numbers, and we have in matrices rational numbers, natural numbers, integers. See, we can represent all types of numbers, all numbers in matrices. See, in the B matrices, we have all functions. 1 minus cos x, cos 2x, sin x, tan x, 1 minus cot x, 1 minus sec x. So we can represent all things. By representing it, we should solve it also. So that is also a step to how a matrices can represent the data of numbers. So that is the matrices. Now I will tell you the how a place it can be represented in the matrices. I will tell you the general form of matrix. See friends, with this general form only we can form a matrices with our own. So this is so helpful to form a matrix. So please listen this carefully. Okay. Let's go. General form of matrix. The matrix that have this is a place that we keep number, right? They will represent this place as A11. So here we have this matrices is called Aij. I means we can take, it can have values 1, 2, 3 and so on. How many matrices if we give, how that many numbers we'll get. Okay? J. This is also 1, 2, 3, so on. See friends. In J place we have 3, 3 and 2 and 1 also. In I place we have 1, 2, 3. See 1, 2, 3, right? So like that we can represent the number of matrices and it places in the matrices bar. See now, it is the definition of general matrix form. In general, M into N, it means the order of matrix, friends. Order of matrix. Okay? It is an order of matrix. If in general, M into N as following of rectangular array of matrix. Rectangular array of matrix. See friends, if we have a number, for example, I am writing here a matrix. So see here. So now this is our matrix, right? 1, 8, 9, 10, 11, 19, 21, 23, 29. For example, they will ask now, what is the number that have in place A22? What is the number that we have placed in A22? The answer is 11. See friends, A22. See here, I wrote here, see A22. So like this, if they will ask questions on general form of matrix also in exam. So you should more concentrate on this thing. This is so important in matrix and it will help you to form a matrix on your own. See, for example, they ask what is the A31 number placed in this thing. Now A31. See friends, in the A31 which number we have? Compare this both. And in A31 which number we have? See, 21, right? A31, see here, A31. This is the number of, this is the place that number we will place, right? 21. So our answer is of A31 is 21. So like this we will do the general form of matrix. Now I will tell you how to represent the word in matrices in vertices and in the horizontal points. Now I will tell you how to represent the points that in a plane in the matrices. See friends, represent the points in a plane. So this is the points that we have in the plane. A is 6, 8, 9 and B is 1, 7, 2, C is 8, 9, 10, D is 10, 21, 30. So this is our points. Okay. Now we should represent this in matrices. See how I will. First, should take a bracket like thing. I have told you earlier, right? Now first A. So in here what we have? 6, 8, 9 points, right? So first write that. 6, 8, 9. In B what we have in B point? 1, 7, 2. So 1, 7, 2. Now in C point 8, 9, 10. 8, 9, 10. Right? In D point what we have? 10, 21, 30. 10, 21, 30. So like this we will represent our points in a plane into matrices. So now we should write here order of matrix, right? M into N. So first I will write 4 into 3. Why did I write 4 into 3? Because 4 is M means M equals to rows and 3 equals to n, right? 3 equals to n, so n equals to columns. So here we have how many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And here how many columns we have? 1, 2, 3. So that's why we get 4 into 3. So like this we will write the order of matrix. Now we can write this matrix, or we can represent these points in other way also. In that is also in matrices. See friends, or now see how I will represent it. First A, right? You can represent like this: 6, 8, 9, 1, 7, 2, 8, 9, 10, 21, 30. Right friends? So we can represent like this also. Now we should write order of matrix to this matrices. See how many rows we have here? 1, 2, 3. 3 rows. 3 into how many columns do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 columns. So like this we will do. Now I will tell you how to represent the point of vertices in matrix. Now I will tell you how to represent the points of vertices in the form of matrices. Okay. Now we have a rectangle, for example, and it has vertices A, B, C, D. The point of A is 0, 1, right? And B is 3, 2, and C 4, 5, and D 8, 9. Now we should transfer this into matrices. See friends, first 0, 1, 3, 2, B, D 8, 9, C 4, 5, D 8, 9. So this is our matrices, right? Now what is the order of this matrices? Say friends, 4 into 2, right? 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, columns 1, 2. So now 4 into 2. Or we can write it in other way also. This matrix. See. Zero, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 8, 9. Right friends? Now tell me what is the order of this matrices? Say how many rows we have? 1, 2. How many columns? 4. So the order of matrices, this is 2 into 4. Okay. So this is how we transfer, or we do or we convert the points of vertices into the matrices. So remember this thing friends. Now last I will do one question. See that. After that I will close the video. Now this is the question now we are doing, and this is the last. After this I will end the video. So see friends, concentrate. Now the question we have A matrix, A equals to, this is the matrices we have. Now in this, the first question they ask, find the order of matrix. Find the order of matrix. So let's do it. First one, order of matrix. How do you find the order of matrix? By counting rows and columns, right? So how many rows we have here? 1, 2, 3. So here we have 3 rows and columns, right? 3 rows and columns, 1, 2, 3. 3 columns. So and 3 into 3. So now this is the order of matrix for this matrix. Okay? 3 into 3 is the order of matrix. Okay? So this is the answer of first question. Now the second question. Number of elements means we should multiply. How we have the order of matrix 3 into 3. If you multiply this, we will get the number of elements. 3 into 3. So what is the 3 into 3? It's 9. So 9 is the number of elements. for these matrices. Or you can check it also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. See, number of elements 9 in this matrix. And the third question, write elements of A11, A21, A31, A33. So, what is the element that is in A11? Say friends, A11 equals to 3, right? And what is the element in A21? What? A21. A21 equals to 4, right? And what is the element in A31? See friends, A31, 10. A31 equals to 10. See once again, A11 is 3, A21 is 4, A31 is 10, and last and final, A33. What is the element that is there in A33? A33 means 12, right? And A33 equals to 12. So this is the question and the topics we discussed till now. So please study well and do hard work. So please subscribe my channel and like and share this video to your friends, and bye.